For months, astronomers believed 3I, ATLAS would be nothing more than a spectacular flyby, an interstellar traveler passing through our solar system before disappearing forever into the darkness between the stars. But the universe rarely follows simple expectations. As new observations continue to arrive, scientists are finding that this visitor may be more intriguing than they first imagined. First detected on July 1, 3I, ATLAS was immediately recognized as an object arriving from beyond our solar system. Its extraordinary speed and hyperbolic trajectory confirmed that it was not gravitationally bound to the Sun. Instead, it had spent millions, perhaps billions, of years wandering interstellar space before entering our cosmic neighborhood. Unlike many comets that become increasingly unstable as they approach the Sun, 3I, ATLAS has remained remarkably intact. Its coma has steadily expanded as solar heat vaporizes frozen gases beneath its surface, producing streams of dust and vapor that stretch across space. Spectroscopic observations have detected carbon dioxide and other volatile compounds commonly associated with cometary activity, reinforcing the view that this is a natural icy body formed around another star. Yet, several questions remain unanswered. Astronomers have noticed subtle variations in the object's brightness that are more complicated than expected. These fluctuations could simply result from its irregular shape, changing rotation, or uneven jets of escaping gas. However, researchers continue to analyze the data to determine exactly what is driving these changes. Refining the object's orbit has also become an ongoing effort. Although current calculations show no risk to Earth or Mars, even tiny measurement uncertainties must be accounted for when tracking an object traveling at such extraordinary speed. Each new observation helps improve predictions of its future path through the inner solar system. Naturally, such a rare visitor has inspired speculation. Some have proposed unconventional ideas about its origin or behavior, suggesting possibilities that extend beyond ordinary cometary physics. However, none of these claims are supported by convincing evidence. The overwhelming scientific consensus remains that 3I, Atlas is a natural interstellar comet, albeit one unlike any previously studied in such detail. That alone makes it extraordinary. Every new image and spectrum offers scientists a rare opportunity to examine material that formed around another star long before our solar system existed. Hidden within its ice and dust may be chemical clues about distant planetary systems and the conditions that shaped them. As 3I, ATLAS continues its journey through the inner solar system, telescopes around the world, and in orbit, will remain fixed on its path. Not because it poses any known danger, but because opportunities like this are exceptionally rare. Each observation expands our understanding of objects born in places humanity has never seen. Perhaps the greatest mystery is not whether this visitor is artificial or guided, but how much we still have to learn about the countless worlds beyond our own. Somewhere among the stars that created 3I, Atlas, countless other travelers may already be making their silent journeys across the galaxy, waiting for the day one of them crosses our path once again.